Hey guys, it's Steve here. It is Thursday, November 15th, 2018, and as you can see, it's snowing outside. This is the first major snowstorm of the season. Last time we had snow was, I believe, back in February or March, maybe even April, I don't know. But you can see the snow falling down. I may go outside. I'm wearing a short sleeve shirt and PJ pants right now and slippers, so I don't know if I'm gonna, well, look at the snowflakes coming down. You can see it more when I zoom in. Got snow on the cars and on top of houses. Just look at that snow coming down. I don't know how many inches. I didn't even know it was gonna snow today. If I would have known, I would have recorded the weather app. But my computer's off, and I don't feel like turning it on, recording it. Oh, it's getting on the, I don't wanna. Just look at it coming down. Probably getting on the lens, so it's getting this thing kinda wet. I'll walk a little bit. I'm wearing slippers, PJ pants, and a short sleeve shirt. I'm gonna go a little bit. I don't know. No, it's not completely. Hang on. It's a car in the way. You see on cars. Yeah. And yeah, this is the snow. Hang on. Maybe I'll record an update video, maybe I won't, I don't know. But yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna end this. At least for now. Maybe I'll do an update clip. If not, I don't know. But yeah. Just snow. We're calling the first snowfall of the season of the fall/winter 2018-2019. Yeah. Maybe one more clip. One more. Yep. Alright, this is gonna be the final update. I checked on the on a radar on my local news website's app, and there's not that much more snow. The snow in the street just melted basically. So obviously the snow's not gonna last for long. It's probably not gonna stick that long, so it's probably all gonna melt later on. But yeah. But this is the first snowstorm though of the season. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed this. And so yeah, I'll do more vlogs, rants, reviews, any type of videos. I may do more snowstorm videos as the fall and winter goes on. Maybe we'll have another blizzard. I remember we had a blizzard back in February. There's a snowplower. Unless maybe the snow didn't melt, maybe the snowplower plowed it. I don't know. But yeah, I'll have more videos, maybe more snowstorm videos as the winter goes on. Maybe we'll have another blizzard like we did back in February. We had a blizzard, I remember. I recorded that. Well, I don't know if it was a blizzard, but it was a shitload. I think we can classify it as a blizzard. But yeah. Yeah, so my video is just see you later, guys. Goodbye. Have a good one.